What if you could create your own Roblox animation meme like this or like this? Well, today I'm going to show you how I created the Squid Game wardrobe for this Roblox animation meme featuring Chippy. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna take this part, and this part. This is, of course, Chippy's OG shirt, right? And this is gonna be the main body, but the problem is there's no sleeve, so I need to create a sleeve. So you gotta kind of jimmy rig it. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. I don't have a full glove, and I don't want to tear apart this one because it's still a good glove. I like to not cut up as many gloves as I can because it's all about trying to save money in the end, right? So I'm taking these parts, these extra parts, and seeing if I can utilize it. So I think this, I can go ahead and wrap my thumb through here. Wait, let's see. I need a big one. Okay, that's a big one. Let's wrap my thumb through here, my fingers here. See if I can. No, that's a little too tight. Let's try it another way. Try it this way. There we go. Right? Okay. So it looks pretty good. So we got your thumb and your 2 feet. Let's just kind of fold that in a little bit. Maybe we'll leave it out. That way you can tug on it when you need to. Okay, so Chippy's shirt right here goes over. Okay, so now we got our Squid Game shirt, Squid Game pants here. Now we need our Squid Game jacket on. So let's see if we can get this to work.
Hey guys,
right.
How's it going?
Jacket.
I'm entering the Squid Games.
So maybe we can tuck it in. Again, it's all about conserving as much material because you can always reuse things. Maybe I'll just untuck the shirt a little bit. Okay, let's fix this up. Let's pull this through. That'll give us some wiggle room there. Okay, now we have a start of a suit. Now we need to put a label for his number. We need to give him a number. Let's define this a little bit more. I'm gonna probably put some stitching here, but I think so far we got a good Chippy shirt. We got a good Chippy jacket, right? Looking good so far. Okay. Okay, so we need the white stripe here. We need the white stripes here. We need both these white stripes on the legs. So let's figure out how to do that. Okay, so I've got these white labels here from Dymo, and I think this should be sticky enough to be able to do it. So let's cut them out, see how we can do. That one wasn't really straight. Let's get a straight one. Okay, let's take this. Let's hope it's sticky enough. That's pretty good. I don't know why that tore right there. It's looking like Squid Games already. It's a little brighter green than I wanted, you know, but I think that's doing pretty good so far. Squid Gamey. So let's use one of these for the leg. I don't know how well these are gonna stick to fabric. This is what the backside looks like. So having a little trouble getting them to stay. I think that's because it's tucked that in just a little bit. Bring this down. Let's pull this up. There we go. I think I might try and do something to get it to stick there. That way it won't fall off as much. This one's sticking on pretty well. I think I'm gonna do more of these. So I think we can make one even one and a couple split, about the same size, right? And really, since Chippy's only seen from one angle, all you need are these insides, because you never really film Chippy this way, right? It's always this way. Does that look familiar, right? Like that. I'm gonna cut this a little shorter. I don't think they're that long anyways. I think they're pretty short. Definitely gonna glue that down. Okay, so let's get these parts here. Really shouldn't be doing this while wearing the glove, but it's all right. So far, looking good. Let me find some glue. All right, we're gonna take this off so far. I'm gonna set this here, his jacket. We're gonna take this off, Chip's pants and his sleeve right there. Let's set these here to the side, okay? There goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our blade here. I wanted to say 4, 5, 6, pretty big. How about 4, 5, 7, so we don't get copyrighted? Oh, I already messed up. Okay, there's 4, 5, 7. That's a bad 7, but whatever. Okay, so let's cut this out. Now I need to leave space there, so it's not gonna be exactly the same because I wanted to adhere to this as much as possible. So it's not gonna be like the labels on the movies, but that's okay. It's smearing pretty bad. Maybe it looks a little dirty. Still visible. I'm gonna cut 4 out. Maybe give it a little bit of a pop. There it goes. 4, 5, 7. Let's take the label off. It really pays to have nails here. I gotta clip my nails. Sorry, chat. This is really hard. Good idea. There we go. Don't use razor blades at home without a parent. All right, I think it's this side. 4, 5, 7. Okay, that's Chippy's number, 4, 5, 7. All right, now with all this done and ready to go, I think I lost one of the little things here. Oh no, it's over here, that's right. Okay, so now we have Chippy's 4, 5, 7. We're gonna use these for the red X. I'm gonna cut, let's cut one here. Just cut a triangle there and a triangle there. Cut that there. Oops, okay, it's starting to look like an X. Oh, that piece came off. Oh, well, maybe we can still get it to look like an X. Sort of like an X, sort of. I think this piece is throwing me off. That's right, we'll just cut that off. That's a pretty good X. Okay, I don't want to break this one anymore, so very little. Take the edge off. Okay, let's this X right here so it's slightly visible. There we go. We have Squid Game Chippy ready for our next short. What do you guys think? Let's see it all put together. These on, one at a time. The last is the piece over here somewhere. I don't know. I'll find it in a moment. This piece held on pretty well. Let's take these off. Oh, I lost the X. No, I lost the X. Where did the X go? There's one piece. Ah, there they are. Okay, let's hold off on this. There it is. There's X. All right. Sometimes you gotta make sure you do it afterwards. Some of this cosmetic stuff, especially if it's not sticking very well. A little cup. Kind of stuff like this just finishes off, makes it look a little bit nicer when you do this kind of thing. Just tuck in the legs a little bit, you know, but maybe this one's too short. Okay, so let's finish off here. This gives it more of a jacket feel. I think I need to make another one. I messed that up. We use this fresh one, and I might use fresh ones for the actual scene. Optimize the stickiness, you know. And that is how you make Game Chippy. Player 457, please step to the board. I lost one. Don't know where it went. Player 457. And that is how you make Squid Game Chippy. 457.
You want to know how I put it all together? Make sure you like and subscribe for the next video.
Green light.